Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can enable and disable the notification prompt sounds. So at the first we have to derise the screen, so click it one time. Right now open the quick menu, go on the right side and enter the settings. And here we have to move for the general, and right now we have to scroll down a little bit. And here we have the prompt sound option, so let's enter and just tap on the off. And right now when we are going to tap on the buttons, there will be no any prompt sounds. So that's how it looks. If you want to turn it on, so go for the general, tap on the prompt sound and turn it on back. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!